packed this order with me. My customer wanted 6 floodlights, so we start the process by unboxing. So we take them all out of the box to check them to ensure that they are working before we package them for distribution. We do a light test, ensure all of them comes on, so they're all working. Then we repack, ensure that they are off. Green light mean that they are working, and we repackage them for distribution. So we repack them, ensure that they are properly secure. The glass is secure with foam. So we secure it and we put them back into the box. Then we add one remote control and a set of bolts. Then we close. Then we add it to our shipping box. We continue the process. Send in your orders now. And we also have 6 panels, 6 solar panels, and 6 floodlights, all packed and ready for distribution. So what we do also, we ensure that it is properly secure with foam. So we add foam to our boxes. These are our foams that we'll be adding to our shipments. So let's do this. Put it on top like this. So before we seal, we ensure that the foam is on top properly. Then we can seal the box. And repeat the cycle for the same for this one. So in this case, we need a foam in between to ensure that it is properly secured for shipment. So when it's being delivered by the shipping company, we don't have damage. So we put foam in between these places. Or we can use bubble. You can use bubble wrap to also secure the goods and to ensure that all the spots, space in between, are filled. So this is good. This is ready. We add a piece of foam on top before we seal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Please send in your order as well. And please visit our WhatsApp catalog link to view our products. Thank you.